Hello, hello everyone. Rashid Delek. Today I will try to talk a little bit about how to practice Dharma in Buddhism. First, it's very important to know about ground, path, fruition. Without knowing this, then it's very difficult to understand how to practice Dharma, how it's important. So in Tibetan we call Jidembanyi, Lam Tapshinyi, Revukunyi. So Jidembanyi is the ground. There are two truths. One is relative truth and ultimate truth. Relative truth is, as I told before, is totally misunderstand, it totally ignorance, it totally flaws and fake illusion, the samsaric things. So ultimate truth is the pranjana, paramita, and emptiness and nature of phenomena and reality that we call the different names, but actually it is the ultimate truth. So first we must understand, if you want to go to one city like New Delhi, then first you should know where you want to go, but then after that you have to know how to go to Delhi. Otherwise, if you don't know how to go there, that's also a problem. Then so second is the path. Path means Lam Dembanyi. Lam is the path. So there are the two paths. One is merit and other is the wisdom. So if you want to reach some city, you want to go somewhere, so if you're just standing on the highway, you cannot reach there. Yeah. So you have to move yourself by walking or by car or by airplane or train, doesn't matter. You have to move anyway. At least you have to move to reach your destination. So that is the path. So in the path there are two, because in the ground there are two truths. So therefore, as the ground, their path is also two, become two. Because in relative truth everything looks exist. So therefore we need to do accumulation merit. We have to give up the negative actions. We have to we have to practice the positive actions. Otherwise, if you think, oh, everything's empty, there's nothing, then next time if you do lots of negative actions, the next life you will go to the lower realm. So you need very careful. So that's why you need to do more accumulation merits, and you should do purifications. You have to do confessions, you have to do prayers, you have to do chanting, you have to do offerings, flowers or waters, all these things. Then, but at the same time, but this all appearance is the emptiness. So that you should understand. So then, therefore, you need to practice like shamatha practice or vipassana practice, practice about emptiness, practice about mahamudra, all these practice about emptiness. This is the become the part of wisdom. Otherwise, if you just only clinging on the merit, you will never realize emptiness. If you don't realize emptiness, you will never reach enlightenment. So, as their path, they are two, and the fruition, there will be also two. Revu Kunyi. Revu is the fruition. Kunyi is Rupakaya and Dharmakaya. So from you practice wisdom, you realize the emptiness, then you you will attain the Buddha Dharmakaya, enlightenment. Dharmakaya means there's formless, there's no form, but all the Buddha's mind, Buddha's wisdom, we call Dharmakaya. You will reach that. Then from the merit, you will reach the Rupakaya for others, for benefit other beings. So there are like many forms of the Buddhas, like example like Buddha Shakyamuni himself is Rupakaya. But Rupakaya is appear from the Dharmakaya. Without Dharmakaya, there's no impossible to have Rupakaya. Yeah, so these three, ground, path, fruition, these three are most important to understanding in Buddhism, how to practice properly Dharma. So thank you. See you. Take care, everyone.